Okay, so we just scrubbed this part, see how dirty this one is. And now we're gonna suck it up. Cleaning up, we're sucking up the dirty water. Water that's coming up from the floor, okay, when we deep clean the wood floor here. Okay, so all the floor is deep cleaned, looks very different. You can see the wear and tear here. I don't know, I might do some kind of a color correction here, or I stain the poly, I don't know yet. Here. You can see it here, those main areas here as well. The dining room looks pretty decent. This living room looks pretty decent. Hallway, maybe here a little bit. Yeah, but it's a brand new floor already, just being clean. But here, see, there's some. So I'll take a look what I'll do there. Maybe some shellac or just some stain. So now we're going to screen the floor with our buffer here. It's going to be hard for me. My helper today is not here, so I don't know how I can show you. I'll show you before and after. So here we see the pad, what it looks like, screen pad. This is the floor. You can see a screen, so you just get a little bit of that. That's the poly. That's on there. That's all we do. We basically just scratch the surface, do color correction, and then reapply two coats of high quality water-based poly. So which will give the floor, this floor definitely is on the verge. It really needs something. So screen and recoat is a much better option than sanding the floor because it doesn't need to be sanded. So, but if it would keep going like this for another couple of years, like, then definitely you have to sand it. So, or even a year. So this is a very good way to maintain and you know, take care of your hardwood floors. Okay, more in a second here. So now after screening, we vacuum. Okay, so after we stained, color correction, everything here, we're putting the first coat of poly on. So you can see it here. Here's the line, right? It's kind of hard to film by myself. Let me try. Edge the whole thing. This is a great product. So whichever way, it will not show. As I said, I edge this. This whole room, there's a little spot here. I'm gonna take it up. Yep, looks good. Alright, first coat is coming along, guys. Looking beautiful. See that? Wow. To the dining room now, and the kitchen, and then the first coat is done. Alright, so this is the first coat. It's almost dry. Getting dark here. Very nice.